guys, welcome back to my new video. As you have watched my YouTube thumbnail, so today we are going to discuss about why should we learn English, why should we speak English. So let's start this video. So friends, today we are gonna talk about why should we learn English, why should we speak English in this modern era. So friends, we are living in 21st century 2025. So this is the time what in that we cannot survive without speaking English. We must speak English, otherwise we will lag behind as compared to the other persons who have much talent as compared to us. So you need to understand this is the time, at that time we cannot compromise with the English. And friends, as you know, we are living in 2025. There are a number of people, they know how to speak English, but if you don't know how to speak English, how to communicate to each other, so you will be lag behind as compared to those people who knows the English speaking. So this is the all of you we need to understand, and you don't need to get fear how to speak English, how to learn English. It is very simple. If you have decided in your mind you want to learn English, nobody can stop you. The only person who can stop you, the person you are yourself. You only stop, otherwise nobody can stop you. So please keep in mind these my all the statements. If you want to learn English, if you want to become a fluent speaker in your life, so please follow these statements, these my wordings. If you want to become a fluent speaker in your life, if you want to speak English in your life, so please follow these terms, otherwise you will be lag behind as compared to the others. So this is all about in this video, and I have created this channel. It is my purpose to share my views how to speak English, how can we learn English, and how can we grow in this modern era, how can we learn English, how can we speak English. And friends, I hope you have heard, you have seen there are a number of people who speak English fluently. They don't hesitate to speaking English because they are fluent. They had did lot of hard work in their life. If you don't do hard work for the English, you will lag behind as compared to the other persons. You will be suffered in your future, in your upcoming time. So this is the most crucial time to speak English, and especially for the learning English. First of all, you need to focus on your basic requirement, basic rules. You don't need to study grammar rules. You need to study, you need to identify, you try. First of all, you try. As you know friends, I'm talking about 21st century. So this is war time. At that time we cannot neglect the English speaking. That time has gone. That time there was no need to speak English. At that time everything is fine. If you didn't know the English speaking, so that was the time. It has gone. But now it's the time of modern era. As you have seen, we are the fourth largest economy at the global level. So why? Because of we are growing in terms of all the sectors, so you need to understand, if you want to grow, you need to do hard work. You need to learn some skills related to English speaking, related to your improve your standard, related to learn some skills in the IT sectors, in the different sectors. So you need to understand we are living in the modern era and we cannot survive easily without speaking English. So I think you all know what is the value of English speaking, what is the importance of and significance. If you don't know how to speak English, how to learn English, and how to communicate with each other, so you can follow this channel. And if you want to learn some more videos related to these kind of contents, how to speak English and how to build your confidence, how to enhance your English speaking, how to improve your vocabularies, so please follow this channel and share this video. And if you are getting some information, some knowledge through this video, so please subscribe this channel.